Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make three-dimensional quilt blocks. We'll explore the magic of creating depth and dimension in your quilting projects, transforming flat fabric into captivating designs. You'll learn essential techniques, from selecting the perfect fabrics to precise cutting and assembly, ensuring your blocks truly pop. Get ready to add an exciting new dimension to your quilting journey with these easy-to-follow steps. Choosing your fabrics is crucial for a stunning three-dimensional effect. Aim for at least 3 distinct fabrics, one light, one medium, and one dark. This contrast helps define the planes and create the illusion of depth. Precision in cutting is equally important. Use a rotary cutter and ruler to ensure all your pieces are perfectly sized. For example, if making a simple cube, you might cut 6 squares of a specific size. Now, let's assemble your units. Use a consistent 1/4-inch seam allowance throughout your sewing. This precision is key to ensuring your blocks fit together perfectly. After each seam, press it carefully to one side. This reduces bulk and helps create crisp, defined edges, which are essential for the three-dimensional illusion. Once individual units are sewn, arrange them to visualize your desired three-dimensional shape before stitching them together. After assembling your three-dimensional blocks, it's important to square them up to a consistent size, perhaps 6½ inches, for a professional finish. This ensures all blocks will fit together seamlessly in your quilt top. Don't be afraid to experiment with different orientations of your finished blocks. Rotating them can create entirely new and exciting patterns. Finally, consider adding borders or sashing to further enhance your overall quilt design.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.